The buzz surrounding the Samsung Galaxy F55 is reaching a fever pitch, with leaks and speculation fueling excitement about this upcoming smartphone. Let's start with its design. The Galaxy F55 is rumored to sport a sleek look with glass on both the front and back, protected by Corning Gorilla Glass, all encased in an aluminum frame. Its toughness is expected to be top-notch, boasting an IP67 rating for dust and water resistance, ensuring durability. Moving on to the display, the Galaxy F55 is rumored to feature a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED screen with a silky smooth 120Hz refresh rate and HDR10+ support. This promises an immersive experience, whether you're gaming or binge-watching your favorite shows. Under the hood, the Galaxy F55 is speculated to run Android 14 topped with Samsung's One UI 6, offering a smooth and intuitive user interface. Powering the device could be the Exynos 1480 chipset paired with an octa-core processor, ensuring lag-free multitasking and gaming. In terms of memory and storage options, the Galaxy F55 may offer variants starting from 128GB of internal storage with 4GB, 6GB, or 8GB RAM configurations, while higher-end models could come with 256GB storage paired with 6GB or 8GB of RAM. Additionally, expect a micro SD card slot for additional storage needs. For photography enthusiasts, the Galaxy F55 is rumored to feature a versatile triple-camera setup, including a 50MP main sensor, a 12MP ultrawide lens, and a 5MP macro shooter. And for selfies or video calls, a 32MP front camera is expected to deliver stunning results. Battery life sounds promising with a hefty 5000 mAh battery, ensuring it lasts through a day of heavy usage. And with 25W wired fast charging, you won't have to wait long to power up. That wraps up the anticipated features of the Samsung Galaxy F55. If you're as excited as we are, make sure to like and subscribe for more updates. Peace out.